Hey everybody out there on the internets, welcome again to another thrilling edition of Detector Riff. Today I've got one called Fire Safety for Kids with Hector the Smoke Detector. Now I remember a long time ago, maybe not so long, I don't even remember, but I know I did it, where I had Be Cool About Fire Safety with Seymour Smoke, with what's his name from Seinfeld. Hopefully, this will be akin to that. And let's see how it all plays out, starting right now. Oh, goody! This is going to be in hi-fi! I'm so excited! Is it going to be in hi-fi black screen? That would be cool, I guess. The FBI warning. I wonder if anybody ever really did get prison time and a $250,000 fine out of all this. I never heard of any of it. They must have been the ones that drew all that. That might be the only time where Comic Sans is appropriate. What? No, this is supposed to be Hector. Who's Beazle? So, is this class?
What are you drawing, Bobby? That's beautiful.
If this is supposed to be class, why are you holding it in the library? Oh, that is a 90s hat as fuck.
Okay, now children, finish your drawings and I'll be right back. Okay?
Right back. Love that snoot. Like, this isn't even a classroom. This is seriously a library. Oh. Okay, Johnny. Draw a dick. Draw a dick. Seriously, draw a dick. What kind of chaos are you starting? Why are you raising your hand? Oh, Ralph Macchio is not happy. No, seriously. Draw. Write the word ass. Everybody loves the word ass. Wait a minute. No. Yeah, your face is a pro. Oh, God! No. 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 No.
Yuckaroo! It's me, my very self, and I'm back to help you learn to take care of
Kill it with fire!
Self.
I know this is a fire safety thing, but kill it with fire now!
Learn my 1, 2, 3s. Learn to cross the street. Look both ways.
Yeah, Ma, you don't want to get flattened like a pancake, like your chest.
A button's tough to do. Everything you learn is learning to
I wonder if they put that easel there, that canvas there, because it's cold, and she'd have been poking through. He wants to be anywhere else but there. Oh my God, these poor kids want to die. I'm not seeing this, man. I'm not seeing this, man.
Learning to be careful in certain things you do.
You'll still get batted in the face.
That some things only grown-ups are.
What, wear pants that weird? Yeah.
Not to talk to strangers when you're just a kid. Learning how to play it safe.
Who in the hell rides bicycles? That's so oh God. He was getting down.
Learn to help a friend.
No, that's overrated.
Learn to ride a bike.
I was gonna say, that's so awful, fuck it. It's choreography by Terry Schiavo.
Learning to take care of you.
Yeah, I take offense to your hat, bucko.
For us are sometimes dangerous. Learning to count money so you can take the bus.
Who does that?
When it's safe to swim and when it's really
No, 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 you do not swim.
what to do.
Swimming is against the rules.
'Cause it's hot.
No, you're better off becoming the next Chief Wiggum. Oh God, they're Twins fans. They'll never know what victory tastes like. Whoa! Blur that! Blur that! This is not kosher in any way, shape, or form, and I do not condone it. Jesus, okay, thank you. Thank you for taking me from that to something far more depressing. Wait, weren't some of these kids the extras in the Kazoo video I watched a long time ago? How much you want to bet this was all her idea? Like, she thought this was a good idea, and so... Oh, yeah. No, this is her vanity project. She thought this was great. She somehow landed a grant for this. Like, she didn't have the money for this because she's a starving artist. She somehow landed a grant for this from the government, I guarantee it. And this is what was produced. Tax money well spent. You know, I went through mini monkey magic bullshit, and now I've got this. I should get hazardous duty pay for the shit I've been putting up with lately. Stop singing this song! Your lyrics are just more repetitive than... Like, the record's skipping, and you're like Milli Vanilli, like, stuck on stage.
Right, friends. It's important to learn how to take care of you yourself, just as we must learn to take care of each other. That's why I'm going to help you learn about fire.
Fire is good.
And fire safety.
Fire is where my
Good
Dark
fire,
Lord lives.
And there's bad
Like the
fire.
fire in my crotch. What the fuck? Okay. Why are we making the Macaulay Culkin face? No, please don't. It's bad enough you're doing what you're doing. Don't try to add an extra layer with impersonations on top of it. Yeah! Burn your family!
Kids shouldn't play with matches.
Especially when your father has an ass like that.
Right-a-roo! We need fire to cook our food or to keep us warm on a cold night.
That's why you burn the
What
young.
would you want to cook
Slay
on
your
a
dog
barbecue
and set it
today?
ablaze.
Marshmallows!
S'mores are great!
Those look good. I wish I
Who in the
had
fuck does
marshmallows.
it that way?
Hey, I didn't mean it.
Should have thrown it at her face.
Okay, what's this? Good fire or bad?
Bad fire, because it reminds you that your mortality is slowly draining away.
Bad fire.
Yes!
Why is it bad fire?
Because there should always be an adult around that you know when there's fire.
Good line read, but there were people around her. With all that shit. Oh, there's more flammable shit. I'd laugh if one of them just started bashing her head through the tables. That'd be fucking great.
What are you doing, Bees?
I'm having a mental episode. That's what I'm doing, you little snot.
I'm making a plan.
What's a plan?
Something that I do to devise a way to devour your souls.
Everybody has a plan.
Jesus Christ.
Plans to help you figure out.
There might be a grand total of 20 seconds between songs. Oh, you don't even know how to read that, kid. She doesn't want to be there anyway. The female version of Sam Kinison wants to be anywhere but there. What do they do? Hire Jeff Foxworthy to sing this? Yeah, she's telling you. She's warning you right now. Call 911. There is a stranger in your classroom, and they are coming to hurt you. If you're homeless, you don't have this problem. Come on, start headbanging or something.
How dangerous, how fast a fire can spread.
Of course, I'm dangerous too, because I bring the bad fire.
Leave a living room, a kitchen. What to do
That's why you have to plan ahead. It's a way that could save you. So plan ahead. What should you do?
I want to die inside.
If a room fills up with smoke, get right down on
God,
the
that
floor.
poor child has the front row seat to what is going on in that crotch. Wouldn't there be like an orange glow on their face? Are they bracing for death? What are you don't near his mouth.
Never put a fire by yourself. A home can be replaced, but never you yourself. Plan to call 911.
One can only hope that the easel catches fire.
Plan ahead, think ahead. There is no time to waste.
What was she in? I've never seen anything like that. Watch where you touch me. Oh, God.
So, Basil, how would we get out of here?
Good question. How do we get out of this tape?
Or when you're in a movie theater, or when you're in a store. Must have a plan.
You should have.
Oh, my God. Is this defabled Hector?
It's Hector, the smoke detector.
Hot damn!
Maybe he'll
He's
sound
most of the
his warning
budget
beep
for this
us
video.
ourselves, and then we can try our plan again.
Yeah, but no.
Now we know a safe
Yabba
way
Dabba
out
Do
of our
only dumber.
classroom, just in case we see smoke or fire, or if we hear Hector's warning beep.
I'm Hector,
Whoa.
the smoke detector, and I can smell smoke.
Yeah, who farted?
You.
You bet he can.
I'm Hector, the great protector, and I'm here to protect you.
Yep. 3/4 of the budget went to
Wink
this.
if my batteries are strong.
There went another 10%.
You never sleep.
So while you're sleeping, I watch out.
Why are we doing this? Why are you talking to me in your sleep, kid?
He's Hector.
The smoke detector.
You're not even...
I'm Hector,
Oh my God.
detector.
Your layering is all
My batteries
off.
should be tested every 4 weeks.
So, wait.
I'm Hector.
The fire alarm is right in the bedroom. Why? Are you making sure that your 6-year-old isn't smoking cigarettes?
Whistle or beep. Every level of
Well, they live in the Addams Family home?
smoke detector.
And who can afford a house at this time of this economy?
Who love you.
Why am I here?
Hector,
What is this horrible torment I'm living in?
let's hope you never hear me call. I'm Hector, the great protector.
That's up for debate.
Here to protect you one and all. But in case you
I
do,
hear
there are
Hector.
things you
I
must
think I'm
learn.
gonna go outside now and play.
I can only
What the
be
fuck are
here
you all doing?
to warn you.
No, please don't. Stop. Stop, dear God, stop.
Protector,
Stop.
learn to protect yourself against the fire. Let's hope
You learned that from Home Alone 2, didn't you? Or the original Home Alone, that's right.
But if you do practice what you learn to
Are you gonna show any of this shit so we know that it's important?
He's Hector.
the protector.
You know, I bet if that kid actually flopped his ears around, he could fan the flames to burn the house faster.
If we hear Hector, should we use our plan?
Right-o-roo.
Are you rock stupid? Of course you do! Or all your brains in that polka dot hat.
Warn us, Hector?
Do you know how to get out of the classroom? So you have a plan.
I think the kid... why? What is that with his eyes?
No, you crawl under it.
You can crawl fast, but you must crawl under the smoke.
Yeah, especially when Cheech and Chong are
I'm
there.
going to give you my warning beep. Ready?
No, I don't want these loud noises.
What are you doing, Beazle? The handle's right there.
You should always test a door before leaving. If it's hot, then you need to go to another door.
But what if you got nothing else but a window?
It's okay.
It's time when you get the Sanford Strong climbing rope.
This is like our fire drill.
That's right.
You'll be the last to die.
School is your plan. Now this was a real fire, we'd call the fire department.
With our finger phones, because that's what we do.
And we would tell them where we are. And that would
In the
be
seventh circle of hell.
Firefighters
That's where we are right
jump in the
now.
fire trucks and rush over to help us.
Can we visit the fire department?
Fuck no! We don't have the budget for that!
Come on.
Oh, I guess we do.
Hey kids, welcome to our firehouse.
Hey, how you doing over
Glad you
here?
could visit. I wish more kids would come visit our firehouse.
I mean, those
see
last
what we
freaks
want.
with the zebra came over, we had to like break their legs because they were acting like all sorts of animals.
Fire department dispatch at 3:32.
You know, we go to school, learn how to put out fires.
Do you have teachers too?
That's right. Do you want to see our school? It's more like a camp than a school.
Oh boy, I like camp! Oh yeah, work that pole, son. Fire. Really? The choreographer should have been fired. Pun intended. Yep, look at him go. Vroom vroom. Whew. He's seen himself on fire too. Look at that hairline. Oh yeah, with all those flat butts. Oh yeah. Hot box with Cheech and Chong's and shit. Next week we're gonna take the real challenge with Willie Nelson. Hey, isn't that the scene from Shawshank Redemption? Handling hose. Now I'm starting to think about that Ren and Stimpy episode where they became fire dogs. And then afterwards they just hose each other down. That's the most effort that kid. Never mind. Nah. That's hard work waxing the thing. Like seriously, what's up with these kids? Doing reverse windmills. Yeah, that's wicked bad. Your shit's on fire. I ain't nothing I can do about it. Safe as hell? Alright. You gonna throw her off the balcony? That'd be cool. Just let me show you what it's like to be thrown off a building that's on fire. What are you flicking my burgers for? Huh, mister? What was that all about?
Diesel, whatever fire did touch your clothes.
Oh.
If fire ever touches you, then stop, drop, cover,
What?
and roll.
Wait, when did covering become a thing? It's always been stop, drop, and roll. That's a horrible stop sign. Quit looking at the camera. The director can't save your ass now.
Wow, this sucks!
I wonder where these kids are now. How much want to bet at least one of them's a burn victim at this point? God. I'm wasting government money doing this shit. Look at me go, government money. She's good at it. Come on, Sonic the Hedgehog would be disappointed in all of you. Oh shit, look out!
I'm feeling sassy.
Please. Please, burn her! Oh, this is stellar effort, if I've ever seen it. Yep. This is the best. Okay, he might have. Okay, he's definitely got some chemical imbalances. What are we paying you in Kool-Aid and flick 'em sticks if you ain't gonna do the damn choreography right? No, don't shake your legs, lady. That is way too suggestive right now because we've just gone to hose. Quit rolling off the set, Gerald. Is some of this recycled? Yeah, I think it is. Look, you're making me cough like I'm smoking here. What does Donatello have to do with anything? Wow, you're all disappointments.
This is absolutely wonderful. I am so proud of you
If
all.
I even knew who you
In fact,
were.
I have a very special surprise for you.
What's that, Mrs. Clark?
It's a fire
A
boat.
what?
Sometimes firefighters have to put out fires.
Oh
on
God,
boats.
she can't see
How
this
would you all
shit.
like to go for a ride?
What the fuck does that mean? Ah, yes. Comic Sans comes alive. Love it. So, only thing I can imagine that didn't include this was the fact that they screwed up production somewhere, so this is the only thing that they could do with it. I was like moving a howitzer. Cool. Stick your face in the front of the kid, let's see what happens.
Learning to take care of you, learning to take care of you, learning to be careful in certain things you do.
Oh God, we're gonna crash.
Things only grown-ups ought to do.
Hey, kids, talk to your moms and dads about making a plan
No.
for your house. Check to see if Hector the smoke detector lives in your house. And ask your
No.
teacher to
God,
arrange
go
for you to
away.
meet the
Stop.
captain of your
Stop
fire
talking.
department.
And Passy isn't a last name.
Here, you your very self. See you next time. Bye.
No, bye, goodbye, so long. Never ever bother me again. Oh, this was her. Oh, so it's state money. Good to know. Holy shit. He couldn't even capitalize things. I didn't even notice that the first time around. Good night. So 1995. God, yeah, all those kids, they're probably 40 now. Think about that. They are probably 40 at this point. Dear God. Well, that just depressed me. Oh, God. I don't even think I learned anything really about fire, other than I'm horrified by what I saw, and I think I should just leave it at that. So until next time, party people, toodles!